from the Tech.AD Berlin 2017. I'm Christina from we.CONECT and I'm really happy to be here with Serkan and Arslan from Nvidia. Serkan, welcome to the conference and thank you so much for your time to participate in an interview. As a start, do you mind briefly introducing yourself and tell us a bit more about your professional background?
Certainly. Thanks for having me here. My name is Serkan Arslan. I'm at Nvidia for our ecosystem and autonomous driving in charge, which is a broad scope. So what Nvidia wants to do is enable all our partners to work on the same target, which is solve the challenge for self-driving cars.
Mm-hmm. And tell us a bit more about Nvidia itself and the USPs compared to your competitors.
Well, obviously everyone knows Nvidia from the gaming industry for decades, and we're strong in that perspective. It turned out that AI is powered by GPU significantly, and therefore we have started to partner with our car manufacturing partners as well as with every ecosystem partner to use AI to develop autonomous and self-driving cars. Mm. And the difference probably is in compared to some others, we're not providing a chip and say do it yourself. What we do is we provide the chip, the software, and the ecosystem, and try to work with the community and with the ecosystem to get the problem solved.
Okay. And the conference started last night with the icebreaker, which you attended, and I think it was moderated, one of the icebreaker roundtables was moderated by one of your colleagues.
Correct.
What particular insights did you get already, or what topic did you actually prepare and bring to the roundtable?
First of all, we were smashed by the crowd, so it was really packed. So it looks like there is a lot of interest in what we're doing and how to solve the problems. It started on a really high level, but we were able to dive in because there were partners from the tier ones and ISVs and startups, so it became a really fruitful discussion. And at the end, everyone was glad to have joined that dinner. Or it was not a dinner.
Yeah, but the icebreaker. Okay.
Icebreaker.
And leaving the icebreaker last night and asking you a few generic questions about autonomous driving, what are your personal perspective, or what is your personal perspective? What do you think, at what level will deep driving systems actually be implemented and integrated into road traffic? What do you think?
The specialty of automotive industries is that the cars you will have on 2020 are developed at the moment. So we are mid of the development of defining our future in 2020 and coming forward. But last year at the same event, we were kind of challenging everyone, saying that autonomous driving will be not 2025. We believe it's going to be much earlier. And now, this year, everyone is telling that autonomous driving to a certain level will happen in 2021. So we are glad, and I'm very, very excited to see the speed the car makers are now trying to catch up with the technology vendors like us, and try to match that to be more flexible over the lifetime of a product. So what we see is actually the hardware most probably will be ready. The piece of software which is required to achieve a certain level of autonomous driving is not ready yet, but we can deploy it. So once it's ready, we can upgrade it, and that makes it quite interesting for the future.
Okay, and if you were to paint a more abstract picture, what autonomous driving would potentially look like in 2021, what do you think that would be?
We have to understand that there is no autonomous driving per se. Mm-hmm. Like there is no a car which can drive autonomous, let's say, on a different level on everywhere. So what we will see in 2021 is that there will be situations which are either safe enough or it's controlled enough so a car can really do autonomous in wording of level 4. So. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's one thing, but in the same time there will be situations which is not really ready to do level 4. In that case, still the driver has to take it. So there will be a level 2 to level 4 mixed based on the situation type of autonomous driving.
Okay, and you personally, what has brought you to this conference? What particular insights are you hoping to get?
This is the third time Nvidia is attending events, and we've been very happy in the past to see the number of people from different areas, from different levels. It was really helpful to do our networking. On the other side, we also have benefited by listening to the presenters. So we also learned, and that's exactly why we're here. And that helped everyone.
Good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking part in the interview. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.